as I am in Scotland in this beautiful castle. It's unreal, straight out of a fairy tale, and I feel like a princess. But it also reminded me that it can mean staying within the walls built around me. Taking off my shoes and feeling the grass makes me feel more connected. Something inside of me pulls me beyond these walls to explore as there is freedom to it. What if there is more? What if we are more beyond what society tells us to be? I can feel the life of the trees and the warmth of the earth as I hear the singing of the birds and the flow of the river, how vibrant it all is, full of life. Nature doesn't ask me to be anything but myself, and it shows me its strength. The moment we let go of the expectations, the attachment to ideas and things, the need to fit in, we become boundless. And suddenly, there is magic all around us. As we break through the fears that hold us back, we step into true freedom, free to be fully ourselves, like children wandering through the woods. And in that space of authenticity, the world around us comes alive. Sometimes, to silence the outside world, we have to step away to find what calls us from within. In that space, we can explore beyond, staying true to us, and break free from what isn't. Follow your path, find your magic, and enjoy the ride.